What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing May's Boxycharm unboxing. Whoa. And as usual, I have Chris here.
Hello.
Oh, sound off in the comments if you think that I am in his way, because I truly feel like I'm always in his way.
I think it's fine.
Let us know. That was a power move right there. So, are you ready to play the game? Oh, by the way, if you are wondering what I am wearing on my face, I am wearing last month's Boxycharm. So I do have, if I move my Boxycharm, that Pure Cosmetics Festival palette all over my eyes. I did use the glitter, the gold, on it, and I felt like I needed lashes because using gold glitter like that needs a little... Good move.
You like that?
I like that. So it needs a little something. So I do have lashes on, and the lashes I am using are Ruby's lashes and Babysita. So those are what I'm wearing on my face. I will have her Instagram link down below. She has amazing lashes. They are very affordable. So I have this from last month's Boxycharm. I have, where's it at? The Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss on my lips. And then I also used our very special friend, the Artist Couture Purple Dream, as my highlight. Does it look highlighted?
Looks beautiful.
I feel like he's lying.
I think it looks great. His makeup looks great.
Thank you. So that is what I'm wearing because I know I always talk about products and you guys don't really see me use them. So I wanted to show you guys what it looked like on my face from last month. So you ready to get started?
I'm ready.
I don't know why I did that with my hands.
You're pumped. You're jazzed up.
I feel very awkward. Alright, so our box this month is not their typical big box. So it is shaped like this, like a rectangle. Did you notice that?
What's it normally shaped like?
It's normally shaped like this one.
Oh, okay.
More like a...
Still a rectangle.
Okay, well, I don't know. This is like a skinny rectangle. Not like a fat rectangle.
Okay.
Okay. So this month's theme is Make Waves. And I have the little card with a 1 and a heart on it. Oh, so sweet.
That's all it takes. Just be nice.
Are you ready? So I'll just go down the list. So the first thing I'm super excited about is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. And this is it. And I will open it up
Alright.
so you can see. Because sometimes packages are deceiving.
Yeah. Like a big box and like a little product.
Yeah. But this one was not. This is it right here.
It's very cool. Very cool package.
Super cool.
Like a unicorn.
So, let's see. It cleanses your skin and dissolves makeup. Ooh, I'm totally trying it tonight to take this off.
$29.
20. I feel like you're looking. I feel like he's spying on my
No,
card.
look.
Swear.
Swear.
Okay. So, it is $28.
Yeah. It's a good start. I was going to say 28, but I think I used even numbers too often. So that's what I get for changing it up.
I know, right?
Could have been 100%.
Seriously. It says, gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities.
Cool.
Says it's for all skin types.
Great.
That's crazy. I wonder if it smells weird. Oh, I can't open it. I don't know how it smells. I'm like disappointed. What's disappointing?
I thought they made it to smell good.
Yeah, but I still like scents. Okay, next thing we've got is the Ciate Eye Luster Cream Shadow, and it is in the shade Cupid. So I will pull it out of the box. I don't know where it is. Oh, there it goes. Ooh, that's really cute. Like a cute little pink purpley shade. It's made by Ciate. And it's just like this Appeal cream shadow, or these Stilas. Ooh, I should swatch it.
Here, you swatch.
What do you think?
$16.
$16. Ooh. Wow. That is really pretty. You see?
It's nice.
That's very nice. It is 22.
Mm. Mm. Ooh.
I know. That was like a lot of.
Oh, come on, get out of here.
The next thing we have is Dose of Colors, and it is in the shade. What do I have?
Los Angeles. Los Angeles.
Oh.
Play on words.
Or why is it this? Oh, is it just saying it's my new bestie?
It's gonna be Los Angeles.
Okay, so it's a liquid matte lipstick.
Los Angeles.
Are you gonna look at it?
Oh, it might be.
So this is it right here. I'm gonna swatch it for you.
And what is it for? I mean, what is it?
Liquid matte lipstick. Ooh, this is a pretty color. Yes.
Liquid matte lipstick.
Yes. So this is it right here. It's a beautiful color. I'm so excited. I love it when I get stuff that I can like actually use.
It's made in America, and it's vegan, so you know.
And I already
it's got a
have.
positive and then the vegan thing. You know.
I do have some Dose of Colors.
That's your thing. That's your thing.
But these are like not their liquids. These are just regular lipsticks.
Okay, so this is $18. Did I get it back?
Yes.
All right.
Perfectly $18.
Yes.
How'd you know?
American-made products, cause I can get them.
Okay. Last thing that we have in the oh wait, no, I'm sorry, I lied. That's not the last thing. We got 2 more things. I lied.
All right.
So I did get this Alamar Cosmetics Color Blush Trio in Fair Light. It's stuck. Actually, it's not stuck. It just has the
Tape.
yeah, the stuff to make sure that people don't use it. We did it!
It's a great job.
So this is it. It has 30 blushes. And in Castaway, Parasol, and Scorcher.
Sure.
So
It's upside down. I can't read it.
Well, I do that so that they don't get blinded by the mirror.
Mm.
I think of you guys. So these are it right here.
All right. And these are blushes.
Yes, 3 blushes by Alamar Cosmetics. Do you want to know anything about it? It's vegan.
$14.
22.
Not feeling it.
I have Alamar Cosmetics stuff. I have some of her palettes, and then I also have like her brushes too.
I mean, what do I know? But it's still just kind of.
You don't like it?
No.
Vegan and cruelty free.
Well, I get that, and that's great for makeup, I guess. But
Let's swatch some.
just not feeling it.
I'm gonna like go on the inside, or should I just say? I'll just keep it right here. Ooh, and I do love like 2 of them in here are like shimmer blushes. See? So these are it right here. I don't know if you guys can see them. I didn't do like super deep swatches. But what?
Nothing.
Oh damn. Ooh. I just cussed. Alright, last one.
You're such a swearer.
I know. Last one is a Bodyography eyeliner pencil. And it is in the shade Midnight Blue. Oh. Oh,
Yeah, I like that.
So this is it right here. And it is a wooden eyeliner by Bodyography. And I do have some Bodyography stuff in here that I've had from other boxes that I like.
$15.
14. You're welcome.
Not bad.
Not bad. This was a really good box. We got a lot of really good stuff.
I'm happy for you.
Oh, little bit of something, guys. Chris asked me the other day, he was curious about how many subscription boxes I receive in a month.
No, I said how many subscription boxes do you have? She likes to play that in a month crap because one of them comes every 3 months or whatever.
Yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. FabFitFun. How many did you think that I had? I don't know why I'm using this like a microphone. Go!
Like 6.
And I only have 2. Well, 2 that come monthly, 1 that comes every...
3. I used to have Julep. You don't have Julep anymore.
Yep, I got rid of Julep a long time ago. That was when they were only doing nails, but now they've branched out and started doing makeup as well. And then I also used to get Itsy, and I also used to get...
I like Itsy. You don't get Itsy anymore?
No.
Every time you get a cute little bag.
I know. I should start back.
Came in handy.
It was only like $10.
What are you doing?
What do you mean?
Just stupid.
I know. I'm sorry, I keep fooling with my lash, guys. My eyelash glue has gotten weird, and I got it in my hair before this video, so it's all messed up. But that is it for this video.
You did a great job.
I did a great job.
Mm-hmm.
How did I do a great job?
Hosting this episode.
Oh, I thought you almost said show, and I was
I
like,
almost
oh.
said show. Shepisode.
New word.
Gruel.
Gruel.
I meant to say great, and I said cool. Hashtag mean girls.
Oh, guess what? Also, Chris is wearing one of his Father's Day presents, even though it is like way before Father's Day.
Yeah. Columbia. A staple in every dad's attire.
So if you're looking for a Father's Day gift, hop on their website, order a hat, or they've got them other places, don't they?
Yeah, you can get them wherever. Around the way. Over yonder.
I think Academy has some.
Academy had some.
Belks.
Belts, yeah, probably has some.
I don't know. So if you're interested, if your husband or whoever you have a baby with, yeah.
Girlfriend, wife.
Anyways, for Father's Day, if you are interested in getting a hat,
Father's
yeah.
Day specifically, my bad.
Because I said I got you that for Father's Day.
Well, yeah.
Swing
People
on
get
over.
people gifts for whenever. Yeah.
Alright, well, that completes this video. Actually, no, it does not, because I do want to say I will have everything linked down below. Also, my link, if you are interested in doing Boxycharm, will be linked down below as well. It is a monthly subscription box, and it is $21, $22 if you have to pay taxes. What? I want to be honest.
Okay.
So, yeah, that is it. Anything else you want to tell the people?
It's hot outside. Stay hydrated. I think I said that last time, didn't I?
I think you did too.
It's an
You need
important
new
message.
stuff.
It's still hot outside.
Atlanta Braves.
Braves doing all right. You know, they hit a little bit of a slump a couple weeks ago, but they've been doing all right here lately.
We'll be going to Atlanta in like, how many weeks?
3?
3 weeks?
3-ish.
3-ish weeks. And we are super excited. I know, like, I tried to end this video earlier, but I do want to talk about this because I'm so pumped. If any of you have ever been to Candytopia, it travels, like, around the United States, and currently it is in Atlanta. So if you have been there, let me know how it is. I'm so excited to see, like, statues made of candy and to jump in, like, a marshmallow pit and do all that stuff. So it looks really cool on Instagram from the pictures I've seen, and I'm super pumped. So if you have done that, leave a comment down below. Let us know how it is because we are really excited to go and take the boys.
I'm thrilled.
I feel like he's not as thrilled.
Who wouldn't be excited about traveling to Atlanta for a week? Yay.
I'm so excited.
Yay. Construction, traffic, crime.
He's such a Debbie Downer.
Realist. That's what she meant to say.
Alright, y'all. Well, that is it. But yeah, that's it.
Alright, that's it. Good job. Sign off.
Hope you guys... Oh, yeah.
Jesus.
Totally forgetting. This is such a crazy video. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy having Chris on my channel, be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all. Let me say bye.
Bye, y'all.